Welcome to the ultimate Lake Michigan sightseeing boat cruise in the Windy City, Chicago. Today, we invite you to join us on an unforgettable journey where you'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Chicago's iconic skyline from a unique vantage point. Climb aboard and let's set sail. As we embark on this narrated sightseeing cruise, get ready to be amazed by the impressive architecture and famous landmarks that define this magnificent city. Our scenic Skyline cruise on Lake Michigan offers fantastic panoramic views, allowing you to capture the essence of Chicago's grandeur. Throughout the tour, our pre-recorded commentary will immerse you in the vibrant history and culture of the city, making this journey both educational and awe-inspiring. Behold the John Hancock Center, a 100-story skyscraper that graces the Chicago skyline with its elegance. And there's the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, standing tall as the epitome of modern architecture. Feel free to bring your own lunch aboard, and you can also grab a refreshing drink from the onboard bar, adding to the relaxation and enjoyment of your tour. Our cruise on Lake Michigan lasts approximately 40 minutes during the warmer months and 30 minutes in the colder months, giving you ample time to soak in the beauty of the city's lakefront sights. Look out for Navy Pier, a vibrant hub of entertainment and recreation by the water. As we sail by Buckingham Fountain, admire its grandeur and innovative design, making it one of America's finest fountains. This family-friendly adventure is perfect for everyone. So, come along with your loved ones and experience Chicago's stunning lakefront in a whole new light. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable Lake Michigan sightseeing boat cruise. We hope you had a fantastic time exploring the captivating Chicago skyline and its many landmarks. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more amazing content showcasing the best of Chicago and beyond, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos and adventures.